Hello my beautiful friends, welcome. My name is Christina Marie from BeautyAmaB. I do beauty reviews, tutorials, unboxings, spoilers, and giveaways. I'm setting this down, it's pretty heavy. How are you guys doing? Let me know in the comments down below. So in today's video, we are unboxing both the Fab Fit Fun spring box as well as the mystery bundle that I got in the spring box. I kind of did it as an add-on, so that's $19.99 for 3 items for that add-on. So how are you guys doing? Let me know in the comments down below. I love chatting back and forth with you guys. I do want to welcome anybody who's new here. Thank you so much for checking us out. For all my return subscribers, you know I love spoiling you guys. Every month I try and do an eyeshadow palette giveaway. For the month of March, it is the AJBH Violet Sage palette. Kind of looks like this. Great for the spring. In the description box down below under current giveaways, it talks about how to enter this one. Somewhere in today's video is going to be a secret word that you're going to need to know for the item that we're giving away in today's video. If you haven't subscribed yet, I invite you to be subscribed. We're such a fun, laid-back group here. If you can do me a favor, hit that bell button, mark it to all. And if you are watching on a mobile device, go into your settings and mark those. I want you guys to know when I upload. Definitely want you guys to know when I do giveaways because I do them a lot here on the channel. I think there's at least 6 giveaways this month, so be on the lookout for some up-and-coming ones as well. Now, as far as what is on my eyes today, it is the Juvias Place Garden of Juvias palette. And talk about a perfect palette for the spring. I did use this shade here as a transition. This matte here was in the crease, and then I used this one in the outer half of the lid and this one in the inner half. I just love FabFitFun. It's one of the oldest subscription boxes that I have. They does come out quarterly, and it's beauty, makeup, skincare, hair care, kitchen, fitness, good for you type of things. I do have a code in the description box down below if you're interested in checking out FabFitFun. It'll save you a little bit of money, and it helps me out on any extra add-ons that I want to do as well. There's obviously no obligation to use that code. If you do use it, I thank you. I also have some FabFitFun starter boxes to give away. Now, how those work is you must have never signed up for FabFitFun or requested a starter box before. You give me your name and your email address. I send that off to FabFitFun. FabFitFun sends you an email saying, hey, Christina recommended you for a starter box, and all you have to do is pay for shipping. Now, what you basically do is you sign up for a FabFitFun membership. You do have 21 days to cancel that membership, and you'll still get the starter box if you want. But like I said, the FabFitFun is one of my favorite. I've done some amazing gems in these boxes. I can't wait to dive in, find out what's all in here. Let's get into it. If you see me looking down, my notes are on my phone. So let's do the items that were in this spring box first, and then we will also afterwards unbox the mystery bundle items. So I'm so stoked about this first item. It is a backpack. It is a cooler backpack. So it's the June Shine Cooler Backpack in Marine Blue. It does retail for $60. If you love June Shine as much as they do, you'll love the cooler backpack. The cooler block style is perfect for toting your favorite soft drinks or hard drinks in style with an ice pack to keep it cool. Dimensions are 10 by 16 by 13. The outside is 100% polyester, including a lining of PVA. So there's your kind of lining on the inside. There is a small pocket. So you got this huge thing here filled with eyes. Like, there you can kind of tell the depth of my arm. And here's a little card that I just found on this interior pocket that talks about June Shine. June Shine is a mission to brew honest alcohol for a healthier planet because you deserve to know just as much about alcohol you drink as the food you eat. Since 2018, they've been brewing hard kombucha that's insanely delicious, low in sugar, and made with real ingredients. Then June Shine Spirits joined the mix in 2022, classic canned cocktails with a modern twist and crafted with premium award-winning spirits. Now, the reason why I got this and thought that it would be absolutely perfect is my family has a cabin that's on a lake. It is 150, 200 yards away from the lake. We have our own dock and everything else. And we, there's nobody else in front of us between that and the lake. But it's a pretty steep thing, and I don't want to be carrying a cooler down there. And I just thought that would be perfect, but snacks and a couple drinks in, call it good. So that's why I got it. I'm so excited about that one. The next item is from Tula. It's the Tula Skincare Brightening Treatment Drops Triple Vitamin C Serum. It does retail for $56. There's what the inner packaging kind of looks like. So vitamin C is unsung hero of a beautiful complexion. It brightens and evens the skin tone, and this product includes prebiotics, probiotics, and more. They love these drops from Tula for 2 types of vitamin C for a treatment that doesn't quit. So it is good for balanced, mature, oily combination dry skin. Key ingredients are probiotics, prebiotics, and lychee, Japanese mandarin, and mango extracts. It is 1 ounce. One of the cool things about Tula Skincare is it is female founded. From Kate, Somerville is a goat milk moisturizing cleanser. It does retail for $44. And the ultimate in moisture with the goat milk infused moisturizing cleanser prevents your skin from being stripped of its natural oils, so you're on the hydrating journey right from the jump. It is good for dry to normal skin, so this is not going to be a good one that's good for you oily skin girls. And it is 4 ounces and another female founded brand. And then here's what the kind of packaging looks like. From Amica is the Dream Routine Overnight Hydration Treatment. It does retail for $32. The definition of set it and forget it. This overnight treatment is infused with hyaluronic acid, which will make your hair 3 times more hydrated by the morning, epitomizing the term beauty sleep. So it's good for all hair types, color safe, keratin safe. The key ingredients are hyaluronic acid, polyglutamate acid, biofermented coconut water, blue green algae, and sea buckhorn. It is 3.3 fluid ounces. And then here's kind of what this packaging looks like. It's super cute. From Earth Harbor is a Zur Regenerative Neck Cream. I absolutely love the necks. I think too often, because we need to bring that skincare, remember ladies, down your neck and onto your kind of décolletage area. So this does retail for $48. And it's one of the first places we see aging is on our neck, because so often we don't treat the same as the skin on your face. Just kind of told that to you guys. This regenerative cream keeps your décolletage and neck looking just as youthful as the rest of you. So key ingredients are seaweed, amino acid, copper peptides. It is 2 fluid ounces and another female founded brand. And then here's kind of what the packaging on this one looks like. And then from Honest Beauty is Extreme Lash Mascara plus Primer. Does retail for $17.99. Take your lashes to the extreme with this lengthening mascara from Honest Beauty. You can evenly apply primer along your lashes, wait 30 seconds, plus top it off for a few coats of rich blast mascara for the next level length. It's the perfect formula and wand for lengthening and separating with a natural look that you can build upon for more volume. This isn't black, so the mascara itself is 0.2 fluid ounces and the primer is 0.07 fluid ounces and it's female founded. Now this is sealed, so I don't want to open it because I don't know what I'm going to do with it yet because I already have some mascaras open, and mascaras, you guys, as soon as they've been opened, they go bad within 3 months, so make sure you are using up your mascaras. I'll put in some pictures of what it kind of looks like. Okay, so now let's look at the mystery bundle. Now the mystery bundle, they don't give you prices, they don't say descriptions, they don't even list anything about them, so you have no idea what you're getting. And on this particular item, so what I do is I try and go and look up the items for you guys. On this item, I couldn't even find a brand. I couldn't find anything. It does say on the outside, Live the Sweet Life. I tried looking up that brand, couldn't find anything as far as glasses. I do think that they are a blue light glass. And kind of look like that. I think they're super, super cute. Remember how I said that the mystery bundle of this portion only costs $19.99? Well, this one here, you guys, is the Grown Alchemist Age Repair Eye Cream. It does retail for $72. Just paid for basically your mystery bundle and the spring box, all of that other stuff as well. So this is designed to accelerate the visible signs of aging around the eyes. I was starting to get the crow's feet going on. It combines biocapable peptides, nutrient-rich vitamins, and proprietary lipid complex to improve the appearance of skin firmness and elasticity, smooth the look of expressions, lines, and wrinkles, and jump the skin with essential lipid moisture for brighter, younger-looking eyes. So 98% said that it leaves the skin around the eyes feeling nourished and hydrated. 97% said it leaves the skin around the eyes feeling smooth. 94% said after using this product, skin around the eyes feels plumped with moisture. 92% said it leaves the skin around the eyes feeling more subtle and helps reduce the appearance of dehydration lines around the eyes. It is from an independent trial in 2022 is where they got those results from. I mean, $75 for this dinky thing. I know eye creams are so expensive. So from Earth Harbor's the Prism AJBH Exfoliating Glow Serum, it does retail for $54. The new Pumped Up Prism AJBH Exfoliating Glow Serum leaves the skin exfoliated, feeling smooth and looking glowing with a stronger blend of natural fruit and plant-based AHAs and willow bark BHAs. This cute little pink bottle. So I thought it was a pretty good box and bundle. What did you guys think? Let me know in the comments down below. I love chatting back and forth with you guys. My favorite thing in here was that cooler. That's the one I geeked out about the most. Like I said, what was your guys' favorite item in here? Let's give away that Honest Beauty mascara and primer. Like I said, I just have so many mascaras open, and I'd much rather give this away to one of you guys. So in the description box down below is a Google form link. Make sure to fill it out. Make sure to put on it your YouTube name so I can verify yes, you are subscribed to the channel, and put on it that secret word, which will be honest. Only fill out the form once. You can, though, get bonus entries, and you fill out the form the one time, but you can mark on it if you did do some of the bonus entries, items, all of them, whatever. And if you did mark that you did do them, make sure that you actually did, because I do check and you don't want to be disqualified. So your 4 ways to get bonus entries are: number 1, go follow me on Instagram. That handle is BeautyAmaB, A-M-A, followed by the letter B. Your second way is if you follow me on Twitter, it's that same BeautyAmaB, followed by the number 1. Your third way is if you go follow me on TikTok, that's Christina Marie, BeautyAmaB. And your fourth way is if you share this video with your family, friends, socials. I want to reward you guys for doing so because it helps out the channel. It helps the channel grow when you guys do that. YouTube is no way affiliated with this. This is me giving back to you to brighten somebody's day. You must be 18 years or older or have your parents' permission to enter. The giveaway is open internationally. I am, though, not responsible for duties, taxes, fees, tariffs, customs, lost in transit, damaged, anything extra for it to get to you, and make sure that giveaways are legal in your country. Let's have this giveaway go through Saturday, April 1st, and then on we'll go through that midnight Mountain Standard Time, and then on the 5th I'll come in and I'll do my announcement video where I announce all the giveaway winners for the prior month. I'm trying to do those as premieres. Let me know if you guys like that or not. We did a premiere on this last month. That way we can all kind of watch it all together. So what I do is from the Google Forms and the bonus entries, if everybody's done what they're supposed to be doing, I'll put first name, first initial of the last name in my computer. The computer spins it around, and then the computer picks the winner, so don't ask to win, but it's kind of fun to see everybody do it. And then as soon as the giveaway is over, I do go ahead and delete all of those forms. Your privacy is very important to me. I don't share that information. I don't sell that information. I don't create distribution lists. I don't do anything like that. As soon as I mail out the prizes, I do go ahead and delete all those forms. It's just easier for me to have the address right there to be able to ship the prize out to the winner. So if you like this video, give it a big like. It really helps out the channel when you do. YouTube will now go ahead and insert another video for you. If you have the time, I'd greatly appreciate you checking it out. Have a beautiful rest of your day, you guys. Stay safe. Take care of yourselves. Take care of one another, and I will see you soon. Good luck in the giveaway. Bye. Woo!